Hey guys, Leaf1 here. As you know, I do a mix of crafting cosplays as well as some purchasing, but you don't have to settle for what you bought. I'm going to be showing you guys how I used an airbrush to weather my Vault Dweller suit to kind of make it look a little bit more worn and ready for the wastelands. Let's go ahead and just dive right into it. So the best way, in my opinion, to kind of improve a purchased costume is with weathering. And one of the easiest ways to weather is with painting. I think the best way to do that to fabric is with an airbrush. I think it gives it a better effect and you don't really see the brush strokes. It's not so heavy. It's easy to kind of fade in and out with the color. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm using like a black airbrush paint and I'm mostly doing like the edges. It's probably the darkest, the farther into the edge it goes, and it slowly gets lighter moving in towards the middle of the clothing. I started with the pants, obviously did the top and along the sides of my legs, inside and out. And then with the top, I really had to go hard on the gold. Now, this is not just limited to, obviously, your vault suit. This is something you can do with any costume that you purchase or make, of course, to weather it out. Colors like browns and blacks. Sometimes some greens if you want like some mossy looks to it. That can work too. But that's like, this is the best way in my opinion, besides just outright trying to tatter and destroy. I really recommend an airbrush over hand painting. I used to hand paint to weather. It just doesn't give you the same look. On the gold portions, I really wanted to fade those and make those a little less bright, so I used some black on those, including on the back on the numbers. Thanks so much for watching this cosplay crafting tutorial. Sorry if it was a bit of a mess. If you want to see what we made actually with the finished cosplay, make sure to check the links in my description and let me know what your crafting questions are in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I'm crafting up next. Bye-bye!